Hello students, exercise 6.2. Given angle, this one is 50 degree and this one is 130 degree, and we need to find x and y in this picture. So first x plus 50 180 degree, because it is a ray and these two adjacent angles. Therefore x plus 50 180 degree, x equal to 180 minus 50 130 degree, and y equal to 130 degree. Why? Because these two vertically opposite angles, so y equal to 130 degree, and we know this x equal to y, x equal to y is equal to 130 degree, both 130 degree angles. So these two angles are called interior alternate angles, Z formation. These two are called interior alternate angles, and these two angles are also equal, so we can say AB and CD are parallel. Okay, now we need to find x, y and z, and given y is to z is 3:7. Therefore let y equal to 3k and z equal to 7k, z equal to 7k, y equal to 3k, where k not equal to 0. Here angle PHC equal to y and DHI also equal to PHC. These two angles are vertically opposite angles. PHC equal to DHI, vertically opposite angle. Therefore DHI equal to also y. DHI plus z equal to 180. These two co-interior angles, DHI plus z equal to 180 degree, co-interior angles. Therefore y plus z equal to 180. Put the value of y and z. Y is 3k and z is 7k, so 3k plus 7k 180 degree, 10k equal to 180, k equal to 18 degree. Therefore y equal to 3 into 18 54 and z equal to 7 into 18 126. Here x equal to z, picture in this picture x equal to z, these two are alternate angles, interior alternate angles, because this line and this line are parallel and it is a transversal, so it is a z formation. So x equal to z, therefore x equal to z equal to 126, x equal to 126. This is the format. Here angle GED 126 and EFED 90 degree given. Required to find AGE, GEF, FGE angles. Here FGE plus GED is 180 degree, because it is and this line and this ray and this ray are, these two lines are parallel to each other. Therefore, and GE are transversal, therefore these two angles are co-interior angles. Therefore FGE plus, put the value of GED 126, FGE equal to 180 minus 126, which is 54 degree. FGE, it is a 54 degree angles. AGE equal to GED, AGE equal to GED. This line and this line are parallel and it is a transversal, therefore this angle and this angle are alternate angles. Therefore AGE 126 degree, AGE and GED alternate angles, Z formation. Now GED equal to 126 given. Therefore GED, sum of these two angles, GEF and FED. ED is GEF plus FED, GEF plus FED. GEF plus FED. GEF plus FED, GEF plus 90 equal to 126. Therefore GEF is 126 minus 90, which is 36. Therefore GEF is 36 degree. Now question number 4. Check the question first. It is the figure and we need to find QRS. Let us draw a line parallel to ST. Here ST line and PQ, ST ray and PQ ray are parallel to each other, and we need to draw a line which is parallel to ST. Here PQR plus QRM 180 degree, co-interior angles. These two angles are co-interior. Therefore put the value of PQR 110. Therefore QRM is 180 minus 110, 70 degree. And also here TSR and SRN are co-interior angles also. TSR plus SRN 180 degree, co-interior angles. And put the value of TSR, which is 130 degree. Therefore SRN equal to 50 degree. Now here in the given picture, QRM, QRS and SRN total 180 degree. QRM, QRS and SRN total 180 degree. Put the value of QRM 70, QRS, SRN 150. So QRS equal to 180 minus 70 plus 50, 120. So 180 minus 120, 60 degree. QRS 60 degree. Now question number 5. It is a given picture. AB, CD. We need to find X, Y. X equal to 50. Because these two angles are alternate angles. X equal to 50. It is this line parallel. It is a transversal. Therefore X equal to 50 alternate angles. And Y plus 50 equal to 127. Because APR and PRD are also alternate angles. Therefore APR is 50 plus y, 50 plus y equal to 127. Therefore y equal to 127 minus 50, which is 77. Therefore x equal to 50, y equal to 77. Question number 5. Okay students.